Hi, in this series I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Reader. And what Google Reader is it's an RSS feeder from Google. And what an RSS feeder is, if you don't know what that means, it basically aggregates news stories from individual sites all around the web. So if there's a site, say like the New York Times, who they're going to release news stories throughout the day, instead of having to go to that site to see them, you can look at those stories right here in Google Reader. And like as we go on through these videos and I'm showing you how to use Google Reader, you'll understand that more. But that not only includes like news sites, that's any kind of like blog out there and stuff like that. And I'll show you a whole bunch of those as we go on. And one thing I like about Google Reader is they have the option to discover, which lets you find new sites that maybe you didn't know about that would be interesting to you, and then you can read them in your Google Reader. And what it does is it puts them all in a row, so you can choose to look at just a particular website like the New York Times, and then you see all their stories, or you could choose to look at all the news stories from all your blogs all at once. So to get started using Google Reader, it's probably, well, you need to have a Google account for one. And probably the easiest way to get a Google account is just to sign up for Gmail. Even if you're not going to use Gmail, I recommend it because it's a great email program. So you just want to go to gmail.com or search for Gmail and come to this page. This is what you should see is Gmail's homepage. And then you want to go to sign up for Gmail down here. And now you just go through this create an account section. You want to enter in all your information and anything else it asks you for. And then you want to read through the terms of service, and if you accept, you click I accept, create my account. And then you'll be ready to use Google Reader. And I'll be showing you how to use all the features and basics of Google Reader in the following clips.